Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the success story of a standout trader, Ladislav, who managed to earn over $1,300 on his $10,000 account after a profit split. And we're about to break down exactly how he did it. We'll be going over his trading strategy, risk management, and some key trades, including his biggest win. And yes, his biggest loss as well. So let's see what can we learn from Ladislav's journey. So let's start with the numbers, because after all, trading is all about performance. So here's a snapshot of Ladislav's results from this trading cycle. So as you can see, I said over $1,300 in profit. The evaluation of the account was 13%, which is very good. Profit factor of 2.68, so he made almost $3 on every dollar he risked. The total winnings were $2,400. Total losses in dollars was 900, and he won 24 of his trades and lost 7 of his trades, which made him a win ratio of 77%. That's some consistency, right? And let's not forget about the 13% appreciation on his entire account, which showed Ladislav's knack for not just maintaining but growing his capital. So well done on this part. So what kind of trader he is? Well, looking at his trades duration, it's clear he's a day trader. Every single one of his trades is opened and closed within the same day. No overnight holding. No long-term speculation, just pure short-term market movement action. Quick entries, quick exits. That's how Ladislav goes with it, and it works for him very good. So, but here's where Ladislav truly shines. It's his risk management. You can have the best strategies, but you don't manage your risk. It's all for nothing, right? Ladislav clearly knows this, and here is how he handled it. Most of his trades involve 70 lots on SAP and 0.2 lots on gold. That's right, he kept the volumes on gold small, but went on bigger on the SAP 500. He kept everything under control, well calculated, and applied stop loss orders. So, and here's something all traders should do. Ladislav always uses stop loss, no exceptions, and that's very good. Okay, now let's talk about some of Ladislav's specific trades. Starting with his biggest win and his biggest loss in the cycle. Let's go for the win first. So the first and the most profitable trade was Ladislav's best trade was short on gold. This position was open for just 1 hour and 11 minutes, but in the short time he managed to earn a beautiful $526 on his $10,000 account. So the entry point was at was 2,420 and exit point was 411. So he was speculating on price decline. He set up both take profit and stop loss level on these points, and that's a perfect example of short-term precision and timing. We're gonna take a look on the second trade I was about to show you, and that's his biggest loss. And actually it was on gold as well. Now every trader has their bad days, and Ladislav is no exception. His biggest loss came from a long position on gold, which happened to be his first trade of his cycle. Talk about starting with the challenge, right? He lost $419 on that trade. But here's a kicker, he didn't let that get to him. He bounced back and finished the cycle with an impressive 13% appreciation on his account. Now, that's a mental toughness. Well done for him. He had the entry point right here and the exit point at this point. He both set up a take profit and stop loss, but the trade ended with the activation of a stop loss level. It was unfortunate, but either way, he finished very good. Next on, let's take a look at Ladislav's journey across different trading cycles. His performance isn't a one-off. It's the result of steady, consistent trading. So let's go over his cycles. The first cycle, he had over 5% appreciation. The second cycle was a bit worse, and he actually was negative 6%, but he bounced back the next cycle. Third cycle plus almost 4%, and now this cycle plus over 13%. Yes, there was one negative cycle, but the rest all solid gains. He learned, adapted, and came out stronger every time. Ladislav consistently walked away with payouts thanks to his discipline and risk management. So what can we learn from Ladislav's trading? Here are some key takeaways. So consistency is a key. Ladislav sticks to his trading plan and manages his risk properly. That's how you stay in the game long term. One of his strengths is mental resilience. Starting a cycle with a big loss but still finishing with a profit, that's the mark of a seasoned trader, right? Ladislav didn't panic, he adapted. That is what counts. And now for a couple areas he could work on. So Ladislav's biggest loss came out from hoping for a trend reversal backed up by data. For you guys, remember, trade via strategy, not your gut. The charts are very emotional. Then I would probably just advise him to work on technical analysis, because if the biggest loss wasn't caused by him hoping for the reversal, it must have been a bad technical analysis, because there wasn't anything that would indicate the reversal. So there you have it. Ladislav's journey shows us that with the right approach, you can recover from losses and come out on top. Now, the big question is, can you beat Ladislav's result? Think you got what it takes? Let us know in the comments, and if you need any advice, our support team is here to help. And I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading insights. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep growing that portfolio. See you guys.